ChatGPT, like one you're interacting with, is an AI language model created by OpenAI, but it may seem like magic. It's based on mathematics, patterns, and vast amounts of data. It is trained on huge amounts of text, so ChatGPT learns from billions of sentences taken from books, websites, articles, and other written sources. It identifies language patterns, grammar rules, facts, reasoning methods, and relationships between the words. It also uses a transformer neural network, a specific AI design that is very good at understanding and creating text. And this network has a layer of neurons that assess how important words are in a sentence. For example, the cat sat on the mat. The model knows the cat is the subject and the mat is the object. And ChatGPT essentially predicts the next word in a sentence based on the words that came before it. For example, if you type I love, it might suggest words like chocolate, reading, or you. After its initial training, ChatGPT is further refined using conversations and instructions to improve. So this is why ChatGPT can respond in a human-friendly like way. Well, human reviewers rate the model's responses. The model learns to favor answers the people find it useful or safe. This helps to lower the chances of errors, biased answers, or irrelevant responses. And when you ask a question, if your text is broken down into smaller pieces called tokens, the model predicts the next token repeatedly until it has a complete answer. These tokens are put together to form the words and sentences you see in the chat. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.